Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to unbox my birthday gifts. So I will explain to you later why the color is changing, or like the lights are changing. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just going to open my gifts and I'll share it with you. I'm just gonna show you. Okay, so the first one I'm going to open is the one given to me by my grandkids. There, look how big my feet are. So anyway, so yeah, this is Adidas from Jax, Alexi, John, and Mel. So pretty. They want me to wear it to work, but I don't think I can. So I'm just probably gonna wear it when we go for a walk, which I think we really need. We should go for a walk. So yeah, so there. Oh, and look at the light. There's a light effect. Oh, there. So that's from John and Mel. Thank you. Thank you so much. And then the next one would be the gift card from Kelvin and Catherine. Thank you so much. You know what I'm gonna buy with this. So yeah, one day I'm going to Target and just, buy something, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna buy too. Yeah, so thank you, Kelvin and Catherine. And then the next one, and this is the reason why we have this different colors changing on my face. That is the Hampton Bay color changing glow ball. And Brian and Tiffany bought it because they think that it would be great for my video. So now look, there's like a hue of yellow now changing to like pink. Isn't it beautiful? So yeah, so that's it's called 8-inch LED or LED. You're gonna criticize me for that. LED color changing glow ball. And I'm gonna use it for my videos. And the third one, the other gift I got is, not the third, the fourth one. So I actually posted this already in my Facebook page, in my Facebook profile. This is the fashionable mask. I guess you can like put it on top of the surgical mask, and it's really pretty. It covers all my flaws. And she gave me this. Ruth gave me this. Look. It is a Pikachu keychain, which she said I'm going to paint. Yeah. So there. Yeah, you know how we are Pokemon addicts. So anyway, the next one would be the gift from, from my hubby, from Daddy. And he got a good discount with this one because they're 70% off in Coach. And also, apparently, if you go there on your birth month and you are a member of their Coach Insider, you get another 10% discount. So, this bag only cost Bernard $215. Here you go. Just take a look at this. How beautiful this bag is. So there it is. And there's the side. It's like tan colored. Now we cannot see it because of my glow ball. But that's supposed to be tan with black zippers. So yeah. And we got a good pockets here. Oh no. It's really hard to open there. So there's like 3 packets. And there. And there's a zipper in the front, but there's 2 packets on the side. So yeah. And he's I have two choices of a bag, and this is really the one that he chose. At first, he doesn't want it because he thinks. Hi guys, just to continue, this is my fourth gift. This is from Bernard. So this is how the color is, and it's really medium size, and it has it can be crossbody bag as well. So we're gonna take out. Also, this is the you know, the strap, and then so yeah, so this is leather, and it's not the soft type of leather, but apparently it's very durable according to the lady who was helping me. But look at this, look how nice inside. So there is two of that. Let's take this off here. So yeah, so this is like a really nice leather, and I'll show you the inside of it. So big, it's actually big inside. Yeah. That's the one that actually zip. That middle part is really big. So here, there. Love it. So it was really his choice, but of course it's my choice first. Yeah, I gave him two choices. I showed him two bags, and this is the one that he chose. Because I'm gonna show you another Coach bag that he bought me 2 months ago that I didn't get to unbox yet. So anyway, so yeah, so this is it. And if you ask me if I will paint this, maybe yes, maybe not, I don't know. Yeah, I probably will. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to unbox my birthday gifts. So anyway, these gifts are from my greatest gifts, who are like my kids. So anyway, for this first one, this is pretty interesting. It's called Hampton Bay. Hampton Bay 8-inch LED color changing glow ball. And the reason for this is my son thinks that it will make my video lively. Para gumanda raw ang kulay. So here goes. So there you have green. So it's just changing like every second or every 30 seconds. So now we have the red, and